and text-to-speech monetized? This is the mostly asked question from the beginners who start making YouTube videos. Yes. Why not? Not all people have a good voice. And there may be sometimes you can't use your own voice when creating videos due to some reason. In that case, you have to use text-to-speech. A few years ago, people copied and pasted texts from Google and make low-quality content which is use text-to-speech and make money on YouTube.
Yeah, boy.
YouTube consider it as a spam content and rejected to monetize from it. As a result, people assume that text-to-speech content can't monetized. But that does not mean it is not completely can't be monetized when using text-to-speech. My advice is to read YouTube's monetization policies carefully. By the way guys, if you want to know about free and no-limit text-to-speech software, I already made a video you can check in my channel. Also don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate for your support. According to YouTube monetization policy, if you want to be monetized using text-to-speech, you must avoid these points. This applies not only to text-to-speech, but also to the rest. No repetitive contents. No reused contents. And you need to add significant educational value to your videos. The most important thing is your contents must be original contents. That's all. You need to not only read YouTube's monetization policies, but also need to understand it. If you follow YouTube's policies, there's no reason not to get monetized. Try to make your contents the best as much as possible. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video.